Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Tech Sampled. Today we're looking at the Rode VideoMic NTG Microphone. So before we start, let's take a look at the packaging. Some really nice embossing of the Rode microphone on the front. Really looks professional. On the side you've got an image of the microphone on a stand and some details about the product. And on the back you've got some further information. So along the bottom you've got the box contents. So start things off, you've got the microphone, you've got the camera mount, the phone windshield, 3.5mm cable and a USB cable. And you've got some more information on the other side. So let's go ahead and take the box apart. Just slide it down now. So you've got more information on the side about the product, and on the other side you've got a schematic diagram of the microphone, which is really nice, and more information what the product does. Right, so the moment of truth, let's take out the unit from the box. So first impressions. This is probably the best mic I've ever had, so it looks apart, certainly professional. So inside the box, start things off, you've got the 3.5mm cable, and you've got USB-C to USB cable. Just undo this flap and just pull the microphone out. Okay, so this is the manual, and it's all in a pictorial format, so it looks really simple to use. Yeah, I do like this. Nice laid out, very simple to understand. Guys, look out for the full review coming soon on this product. So that's the manual. Don't forget guys, remember to hit the like button, subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want more content like this. So on the bottom you've got the 1/4 inch screw thread which attaches to a cold shoe mount, and along the bottom you've got the gain control for the microphone, which is really useful for shooting. In my hand the microphone does feel very good, nice and light and pretty amazing. Just going to pop the windshield off and show you around the microphone. Now the build quality feels superb on this. It's made out of aluminium, it's very light and feels really strong, and it sits on this really nice shock absorbing mount which keeps it nice and steady. Yeah, so far so good. Pop the windshield back on. You've got the USB-C Type-C connector on the side, and on the other side you've got the 3.5mm TRS connector, which also connects your headphones. So the actual 1/4 inch slide mount at the bottom of the microphone fits beautifully on a cold shoe mount, and it allows the microphone to be moved backwards and forwards. If your viewfinder is obstructed by the microphone, it just means that you can just push it forward and it's out of the way. And that is it guys, so final shots in all its glory on a mount. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing, first look at the Rode microphone. If you want more content, then don't forget to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, keep well and stay safe, and goodbye.